If you drive a Honda CR-V, you might have seen your radio suddenly stop working and display code on the screen. This usually happens after a battery replacement, jump start, or electrical repair. It's Honda's anti-theft feature, but it leaves you stuck without music or navigation until you enter the unlock code. Here's how to solve it. First, you need your CR-V radio's serial number. On most models after 2001, hold buttons 1 and 6 while powering on, and the serial will appear on screen. For older CR-Vs, you may need to slightly pull the radio out and check the side label marked Serial No. Once you have it, visit hondaradiocodes.com, enter the serial, and instantly receive your unlock code. No need for a dealership appointment or extra costs. Entering the code is just as easy. Turn on the radio, press the numbers in sequence, and after the last digit, you'll hear a long beep. That means your CR-V radio is unlocked, so the next time your CR-V radio locks, don't waste time at the dealer. Unlock your code instantly at hondaradiocodes.com and get back on the road with your favorite music.